Hello everyone, this is Julia from Feiyue Laser. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce our product, the FY4050, the metal fiber laser cutting machine for you. For this model, the cutting size of x-axis is 40 cm and the y-axis is 50 cm. Inside the cylinder belt, this is the Taiwan THK linear guide, a top brand of the world, and it can improve the accuracy and extend the working life. And for the linear motor and servo motor, we also use the top brand too. For the Z-axis, the laser cutting machine use the servo motor, and for the X and Y-axis, we use the linear motor. And for the linear and servo motor, each has a characteristics of high stable, high accuracy, stable and durable performance. The servo and the excellent performance guarantees that the cutting speed is 2 times faster than the school platform. Okay, let's talk about the component of the laser cutting machine. It is the marble tables. It can maintain measurement accuracy and it is very stable. We also use a top brand Shandong TP. It is a professional manufacturer in making marble tables. Okay, let's talk about the machine's body. When the laser cutting machine uses a closed cover and it is not being open, it can prevent the dust proof. And the main color of the machine is red and white. The laser cutting machine uses seamless welding and body bending technology. The more scientific technology and high strength of the high strength fracture, which increase the high strength structure that prevent the distortion even for a long time work. Next is the laser cutting head. It is integrated and dust-proof grade is IP65. It has characteristics of high speed, high acceleration, and high accuracy.
Mm. 从 cutting head 其实还有 software and computer switch， 然后 cutting head cutting head是 integrated body design flexible adjustment of the gear unified zero focus position 这几点这3点主要是
我前面3点还没说，我说我怎么一下子跳到这里来了。Now please look at the software. Our CNC system uses a dedicated laser control system and a 9-contact tracking head system, which is more sensitive and accurate. Under the monitor there are 7 switches, and this one is the urgent switch, this one is the power switch, this one is the water cooling switch, this one is the servo motor system switch, this one is the light source switch, this one is the laser source switch, this one is the lighting system switch, this one is the computer switch, and at the bottom of the switch there are connections. This one is connected with the mouse, and this another one is connected with with the USB interface, we can put any
U-disc.
U-disc. We can put any files by
Joining file.
joining files by using the U-discs. And 我有点忘记说了。
没有 keyboard。
我忘记说了一个东西。Now let's talk about the laser cutting head. It is integrated, and the waterproof epi-grade is 65. It is fully enclosed package latch pass and flexible adjustment, and the unified zero focus position. Beside the laser cutting head, there is a CCD camera, and this is an optional function. Customer can choose by their requirements. Beside the laser cutting head, there is an induction adjuster. It is useful for adjusting the distance of the workpiece and the cutting head. And please these tubes. There are please see these tubes. This is our air system. The laser cutting machine uses auxiliary air like the auxiliary gas like the air, oxygen, nitrogen, which depend on the metal size. And this tube are the cooling system tube. They are connected with the water chiller, and this one is the cooling inlet water, and another one is the cooling outlet water. And for the important tube, this is the laser source tube. It connects with the laser source. Please follow me. This is our water chiller. It is a water supplying device with built-in automatic circulation. And these tubes are connected with the water cooling system tube. And this one is connected with the laser source tube. The water chiller has a characteristics of high dissipation, high efficiency, energy saving, and small volume, long life, and stable. Now follow me. This is our laser source. We also use the top brand laser source like the Max IPG and the Rakers. This one is for the Max brand. It is from Shenzhen, a top brand of the world. And it has a characteristics of high electro-optical conversion efficiency, strong stress-resisting capacity that ensure the more cutting stable. So we talk about the components of the laser cutting machine. Let's talk about the operating parameters of the laser cutting machine. The cutting speed can reach 30 meters per minute, and the acceleration is 2g, and the cutting seam wheels is 0.05 millimeter, and the cutting accuracy is plus or minus 0.015 millimeter. and the working voltage is 110 or 220 volts, and it is about 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Okay, let's talk about the cutting material like the metal cutting machine. The cutting machine can use cutting material like spring steel, carbon steel, galvanized iron, gold, silver, titanium, and EACT. And for the special material like the gold, silver, copper, which is the reflection material, we can use high power laser source, or QCW. 完了，我想起来了，我有一段计算器，有一段没介绍。那个 from 1000 to 3000 power。
没关系啊。
还有它的那个使用寿命。我现在想起来了。
前面也还有一些漏了的。回去多背一背。
又打分了。
finish 吗？
没有。
1000 watts the cutting speed。
继续，跟我听听吗？
你
再补充一下，好吧？再补充一下 ，the laser power is from 1000 to 3000 watts, and it has 100,000 hours working life. Okay. It's the end of the video. If you are interested in our laser cutting machine, please contact us. Our contact information at the bottom of the video. This is Julia from Feiyue Laser.